Oh, this is
So our bow thruster quit. I checked upstairs. It does not work upstairs nor downstairs.
I did that first before
Okay.
I went and did that just to make sure it wasn't just in a switch.
Right.
So,
So go ahead and ring it out again. I'm going to push that button. Okay. Now it's ringing and not ringing. How's that working? Maybe you just don't have good contact. Well, it'll take us 5 minutes to change the fuse. Let's go ahead and change the fuse. What size is it? Can you tell? Oh, you've got that on. I was going to turn that off so we won't spark anything, excite anybody.
yeah, and we'll do that before I change that fuse out. I just
Okay.
wasn't thinking it would make any difference on the
No,
continuity.
the continuity, it won't make a difference.